To delete a blocked contact in WhatsApp application, what you do, open WhatsApp. Now if you see this contact is blocked in my WhatsApp application, so if I want to delete this contact from WhatsApp application only, then what I will do, I will tap and hold this contact and then I will select delete chat. Select delete chat. Now this contact is removed from WhatsApp application. But if you want to remove this contact from the phone itself, then what you have to do, you have to go ahead and open the phone icon and then you have to look for the contact. And suppose if this is the contact that I want to delete, what I have to do, I will tap on this contact, I will select edit and then I will go down and I have the option to delete the contact. I will select delete contact and then if I select delete contact, the phone number will be removed from the phone itself. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.